Well, Christmas is all about family tradition and great food, and for my family, that actually means tamales. Making them is more than just cooking. It's a way to connect and to celebrate. And today I'm bringing that tradition to the studio and showing you how it's done. Joining us now, executive chef, founder, and owner of Factory Tamal, Fernando Lopez, and his two sons, Jose and Anthony. Thank you so much for being here, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, so talk to us about Factory Tamal, because you guys started off in a really small way and it's grown.
Yeah. I mean, we started from selling corn off the streets.
Yeah.
Building our way up, you know. He had a friend who knew a friend. Long story short, we managed to open the first storefront, and the rest is history.
I love that. You know what's funny, though, is that you also spread word by a friend of a friend because they talk about how good the tamales are. So let's maybe make one here on set. Show us how it's done. So what are we starting off with first, Fernando?
So first, what we're starting off with, we start with the masa. We already have masa prepped here. It's made from all natural white corn. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab like a spoonful of masa. We have a nice corn husk. We want to put it on the soft side so that it doesn't stick too much to the corn husk.
Yep.
And once you spread the masa, then we can choose the mole.
Oh, you put mole in it?
Yes, mole poblano tamales.
Okay.
And we also add chicken on top as a topping, which just makes it nice and meaty. And once that's prepped, you have to be careful.
I was going to say, is this your most popular one?
Yes, on top with the salsa verde with chicken.
The salsa verde. Okay, so we roll it all together.
Yes, we have to make it carefully. Then we get a little cylinder, not too big, not too small, and we put it right into our little pot.
That goes in here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we would put a bunch of them inside, cook them up for like 20, 30 minutes or so, and then you get the end product here.
Oh, okay. So do we get to try this? Because I really want to try it. Okay, so I'm going to try one of these. Which one should I try?
Try the mole first.
Try the mole, yeah.
Is
right
that
on
this
top.
one?
That's right on
Okay.
top, yeah.
Okay, so my grandma used to make this just with no mole, but I've never tried mole inside the tamale, and I'm actually really looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Look at how beautiful this is. It's like unwrapping a gift every Christmas. Unwrap the tamale, and you get to have a piece. Okay, so this is your favorite with the mole?
Mole poblano with chicken, yeah. That's the traditional one.
This is so good. So good.
Thanks, yeah.
How many do you sell around Christmas time?
Thousands, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very, very hard to do it because we have to grind the corn, we have to do the nixtamalization.
So you're talking about you're making the masa by hand. Tell people what's in the masa, actually.
Right now, in the masa is a pork lard, chicken broth, and salt, sea salt, and a little bacon, soda to make the grind to spin, yeah.
Okay, where can people find out more if they want to buy some tamales for the holidays, for family, for even gifts for other people? We used to make them and give them out as gifts to other people.
Yeah, I mean, check us out, factorytamal.com. You can call us, email us, factorytamal@gmail.com. We have 2 storefronts, Lower East Side, East Village.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So it's not too late to put in a big order for Christmas?
Nope.
There you go. You heard it from them.
Even if it's an emergency order, we still take it.
Order. Okay. I love that. Well, thank you guys so much for coming on. Fernando, Anthony, Jose, I really appreciate it. Thanks for showing us how it's done. This is great with the mole. Amazing. All right, now from that to this, we're sticking with the spirit of holidays. A 19-year-old from Long Island getting a whole lot of attention, not for his tamales, but for his Christmas lights display. The reason, though, that they're almost made entirely from refurbished decorations, and Fox 5's Jody Goldberg shows us.
One man's trash.
Anybody can bring the decorations and donate to them, broken, working, or if you just don't want them anymore. And there we go.
Is Andrew Reed's treasure.
I wanted to raise money for kids with illnesses, so I was like, why not do a display as well and also save things from the landfill at the same time?